We have the John Frieda Extra Strange Frizzies. This is a serum. I have really, really curly hair that gets very, very frizzy. A friend recommended this product for me, and it works really, really good. It doesn't feel too heavy. When you actually squeeze it and put it in your hands, you only need to put very, very little, especially for my hair. I don't have that much hair. But I only need to put a little bit, and I rub it really, really hard into my hands, like really, really rub it and kind of get it warm. And then after I get out of the shower, I'll run it through my hair, and this stuff works great. It's better to put it more on when your hair is a little bit more damp, kind of holds it together a little bit more. But this is one of those products that if you have frizzy hair, really dried out, sort of brittly hair, this stuff works good and kind of gives it that fullness, gives it that hold, that natural feel to it overall. So definitely recommend this. I kind of use it in conjunction with some other products depending on what I need, but it's worth trying out. And it'll definitely add that fullness and body and texture to your hair if you especially have curly, dry hair like I do.